We're going to make the GHK-Cu serum now. We're starting with, this is distilled water, vapor distilled smart water. And we're going to put, according to the recipe, 20 milliliters. So that would be 20 grams. That's good enough. To that, we're going to add 0.9 grams of the hyaluronic acid. And I want kind of like a thicker consistency, so I'm going to do the 0.09 tar. There we go. Perfect. Dude, perfect scoop. Look at that. And then we will start mixing it. Put this in. And I actually don't even have this thing plugged in, so I will do that now. Alright, so it's mixing. I'm gonna let it mix for about 15 minutes or so. And this solution should thicken up. After it mixes, we'll let it sit for 2 to 4 hours. Okay, while our hydrochloric acid is mixing, we're gonna go ahead and dissolve the GHK-Cu. So in the vial itself, I just put in 5 milliliters of water. And now I will put in the GHK-Cu. We're gonna need, to make a 2% solution, I'm gonna do 66 milligrams of GHK-Cu, which is equal to 0.066 grams. So we're gonna have to double that. Okay, that's a little bit over, that's okay. I'll have a 2.5% solution, which is fine. That's going to be a very strong solution, but I'm okay with that. Alright, I think our hyaluronic acid is fully dissolved. It's only been about an hour, but it should be fine. So we're going to go ahead and put our phenoxyethanol in. This is the preservative, so that the serum will last longer than, if you don't put this in, it will last maybe a week. If you put this in, it'll last a month. So according to the recipe, I need 0.3 milliliters. All right, that's it. Okay, so we just did the phenoxyethanol, and now we need to glycerin. So that's going to be, let's do 2 milliliters of the glycerin. Should be 2 grams. Let's do 1.5 actually. There, that's good. And then we'll add the GHK copper here that's been dissolving in 5 milliliters of water. Very nice. That brings us to around 30 milliliters, and we want a 33 milliliter solution, so let's go ahead and mix it first. All right, I got it on the stir plate. Let's make sure that's all mixed up. And we will get the magnetic stir rod out of there. Okay. And we'll wash out the rest with water. 3 grams of water. Oh well, close enough. We'll wash out the beaker with the water. It's a bit of, oh, that's on my hand. All right, we'll put that into the vial. Cover it up. Give it a little shake just to get the water incorporated. And let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it's got a slight blue tinge to it. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, the viscosity is where I'm looking. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and print a label now for the serum. It is 0.24%. So this is some high strength stuff. If your face is not used to this, it might cause some issues, but my face is very used to this, so I'm good. Okay, let's print it. There we go. I'll just label it. Did not do a good job putting a label on. You gotta stretch it. Okay, that looks better. So Kevin Cosmetics. It's a peptide hyaluronic acid serum, 33 milliliters. And active ingredients is GHK-Cu at 0.24%.